Hi, in this video I'll show you how to build the cheapest hydro generator ever. With a price of around 40 euros, it is hard to do better. It is really easy to make, let's get into it. I bought an Hoverboard for only 20 euros, with it you get two brushless motors. So first we need to disassemble the motor. To take apart the rotor and stator you need to force quite a bit, but it's not very difficult. The two 3D printed ring parts are tight fit, so that it doesn't spin around freely. After that, you need to install all the Pelton buckets like so. For the water adapter, you need a 40mm to 1¼ inch female thread, then a 1¼ male to male, and lastly a 1¼ to 1 inch adapter. For the electrical part, you need a 3-phase bridge rectifier that you can attach like so. Then you need to align the nozzle so that it is at the center of the Pelton. Here is a quick animation of the assembly. Now it is time for a field test. By the way, all the files will be in the video description, all for free. I put a lot of work to share projects like this for free. Please consider subscribing to my channel, I really appreciate it. I'll receive a new MPPT charge controller to see how much watt we can produce with this generator, so stay tuned. For now, I 3D printed 3 different size nozzles, but I'll update it later with more nozzle size. That is the end of this video. Thank you for watching.